MMA. Okay? Because when we're fighting like this, I can't do that. It's almost impossible. Drag in wrestling, okay, we use this in no-gi wrestling where I can to get to the position. Okay? So, in jiu-jitsu and no-gi, if I pass the guy's arm, I can get to his back. Okay? If I can't pass his arm, I can't get to his back. Okay? So it can be either under the arm, like an underhook to get to the back. If I go overhook, I have to reach and do an arm drag and get to there. Okay? So anything passing the arm, I can get to the guy's back. So the whole idea with the underhook is, when I've got under, I must lift up. Okay? And this is a great technique to be able to move someone, especially when you're up against a fence. Okay? What it also does is, if I've got the underhook, is to be able to move to the back. It's a good way to move to the back as well. Overhook, I want to put my weight down. Okay, so overhook, I can't lift up. Okay, he's going to lift me up. So I want to put my weight down. Okay, and with the weight down, these things can start happening. Right? And I could do a switch like that. Okay, or with the weight down, I can immediately get the arm drag to that. Okay, but you'll find this is the fence. I'm in this kind of position right here. When I start pushing here and I'm putting a lot of pressure on Dylan's arm here, one natural response is for them to try and get their arm out here. And when they get their arm out, I can switch and I'll take it back. And I've got the back immediately. Okay? So, left side, throw the knees. So one way, one way to defend knees is to keep the hands on the hips. Hands like that, not like that. Put my palms on it. Look when Dylan throws the knees, look how the hips go. So the hip pushes forward, do it again. Boom. So he goes forward. Straight forward, in again. Boom. And go. Go. Okay. Do it again. So if I do that, I can keep the shot away, or the majority of the shot away. Okay, so if you're up against the fence, and the guy's here and he's throwing knees, this is a good way to keep those knees away from you, to hold right here. Okay? Look at this now. I've got the guy here, and the guy's going to set this up. So I'm trying to throw my knees, I'm setting him up. I reach the same side. Do it slow. Do it again. Oh, he's blocking my knees. Blocking my knees, pushing him up against the fence. I could be striking right here. Okay, he'd be stupid to hold on here if I was striking here. Okay, but I could set this up. Grab. Keep my hair as high up as possible. Why do I go high up as possible here? Gi, you can get away here, because there's friction. No gi, the guy that MMA, the guy doesn't even have a shirt on. All sweaty, this is going to happen. Right under the armpit, I want the shoulder to turn. So if he resists, even if I'm pulling here, look where the shoulder is. Now if I get that, and I see I turn the shoulder, I want to get my chest here. Because when I get my chest here, he tries to pull his arm back, he can't because of the body. It's there. If there's any kind of little bit of space, he's going to regather and he's got it. Make sense? Right, so 1, 2, grab same, reach. Now because I'm giving pressure here, I can't just pull this, it's going to hook. So what I do is I pop my hip back. And as I pop my hip back, I always refer to this as a steering wheel. I steer the hand, and this is my petrol, gas. Pull. 3. And back. Right, so initially, when I show it, big movement. When you do it faster, and I'm here and I grab here, small move. Just need to do that and grab. Make sense? Look what I'm doing here now. When I grab here, I don't release this. So initially I can holding right here. When I'm ready to go, well, that's all I need. And now I'm going to drive it. Make sense? All the time. Medium pace. Okay, so pointers here. Grab. Shoot under as high as you can. Pop the hip. Steer the wheel. Gas. I step in as I pull it. And I block it with my chest. And I keep driving.